And the director of the road safety unit, KENUTE, HARE, has condemned the actions of the driver of the minibus. Mr. HARE is also calling for parents to play their part in preventing road crashes. TVJ's LUGG has that story.
Monday's crash, which claimed the life of 13-year-old Pranjal Jasti, has left many asking questions. Like what caused the crash and why were 24 students aboard a bus that's licensed to carry 15 passengers? Preliminary investigation has revealed that the minibus driver was negotiating this corner when tragedy struck. Investigations also reveal that the driver was ticketed last week by the police for overloading. Director of the road safety unit, KENUTE, HARE, has condemned the actions of the driver.
How on earth can you be transporting children? You overload the bus already. And you're transporting children. You're transporting the future of our country. And this is how you transport them? Overtaking? Crashing overtaking your corner? Eh? Where you learn to drive from? Who taught you that? Why you did it? I know why you did it. Because you see those passengers in the vehicle, not as human beings, but as $100 bills.
Relatives, schoolmates, and the East Portland community have since plunged into mourning, with parents urging students to take a stance against transport operators who flout the road code.
Choose the drivers and protest. When they see the students stop taking them, they will wonder why, and then they will find out that it's because of their bad driving, and then they will have to change.
Mr. HARE also called for parents to play their part.
What parents need to do? Teach their children to identify these hot-head driver, shutter driver, hot-foot driver. Drivers who are intent on treating them and people as a $100 bill. If the driver don't respect the road code that the government of Jamaica put down that say everybody will be, him not going to respect anybody who him carry. So don't take them. Don't take them. Don't take them. They will give you and your family untimely death and untimely injury.
In November last year, 22 students were rushed to hospital after the public passenger minibus they were traveling overturned at Bar Hill, also in Portland. Similar concerns were raised about the overloading of public passenger vehicles in the parish and careless driving by the operators. Anthony LUGG, TVJ News.